Hello, welcome to my online channel, The Recap. I am Jamain Hatton. Today on The Recap, I wish to bring you up to date as to what this channel has to offer. Many students have been asking me to do videos on this and do videos on that when those videos have already been published. So I wish to give you a quick tour as to what this channel has to offer, and hopefully you will get a chance to better prepare for the 2021 exams. In addition to that, I wish to also launch my crash courses for the 2021 examination period. I know we all might be a bit nervous, anxious, uncertain as to what the 2020 exams will be about, when those exams are going to be, if they're going to change in the format because of COVID. I can't answer those for you, but what I can tell you, I am here to help you prepare for those exams, especially literature and the English language exams. So let's do a quick tour of what Jamain Hatton, the Recap online YouTube channel, has to offer. So, the crash course for my 2021 period will start on the first day of June 2021. So, it is where we have the complete syllabus review in preparations for those exams. I'm going to do crash courses this year in English language, English literature, and integrated science. If I have requests, I can possibly do one in human and social biology and biology as well. So go ahead and send me an email. I will send you the form to register, or I can I'll put the form in the description. I'll put the link to the form in the description. Go ahead and click that link and go ahead and apply or register for that class. Of course, there will be a cost to the crash course. It wouldn't be free, and I'll be happy to discuss that with you when you submit those forms. So my online channel, The Recap, Jamain Hatton's Recap, is quite decently organized. In doing that, or in saying that, there are playlists. And these playlists are going to basically give you a hint as to what the channel has to offer. Now, there's a very important playlist here that I termed CSEC English A. The CSEC English A playlist talks about all the major things that will be on the CXC English A Paper 2 exams and advise students on how they can actually answer those exam questions and score well. So, what are some of the things? There is a video on summary writing, there is a video on notice writing, there's a video on argumentative essay, short story, there's also a video on statistical report writing. So all of these things are here already on the channel. A link to this playlist will be in the description. Oh, and before I forget, I will actually add to this list here very short videos. I'm looking at probably like 5 minutes, 5 minute videos that will summarize all of these major topics. So 5 minutes on how to write a proper summary, 5 minutes on how to write a notice, 5 minutes on how to write an argument, 5 minutes on how to structure a story. So I'm going to do those 5 minute videos. I'm going to start it during this week. So hopefully that will give you some impetus as you go in towards the exams. The other playlist I want you to be interested in or aware of is the book reviews playlist. Now, this book reviews playlist actually reviews all the major books, drama as well, in the syllabus for 2018 to 2023. It starts with the Tempest by William Shakespeare. There's also an addendum or an attachment to that original video. There's also a book review on To Kill a Mockingbird. I think that was well done. I think that was a probably part of me. I enjoy doing that video. And then there's also another recap video on on Tijan and his brothers. So you can check that out by Derek Walcott. All of that very, very important to you when you are writing the English B Paper 2 exams. And you know, 2021 actually has Paper 2, or at least that's what they told us for now. All right, so go ahead and check these out. They will be very important to you in your exams. So, my channel, The Recap, is quite known for its review of CSEC English B poems. So, I have a review of CSEC English B poems playlist. A link would be in the description there to that for you. You can click on that and review any of the poems. So, there are 20 poems in the syllabus for 2018 to 2023, and I have done videos on every single one of them. All of them can be accessed by you for free. I know we like free things, so go ahead and listen up. I can tell you, tradition is students wait until the very last minute to look at these videos. I'm doing this now so to let you guys know there are all of these things available to you. Please make use of them and use them early. Don't be caught in the last minute rush. And I recently created this playlist of things that I think students who are writing English B must listen to. So this is what I call the must look at videos playlist. This playlist starts by talking about the literary devices in the novel To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. It goes on to talk about the dramatic techniques and devices used in The Tempest. It also talks about the major devices used in Tijon and his brothers, and even goes on, oh my goodness, this is good stuff. It even goes on to tell you all the major themes and devices in every single one, except one, I think, English B poems in the syllabus. And even to top it off, I even put an essay there, or a sample essay of what you can write in the exam when you're comparing English B poems. All of this was done for free. Wow, check that out. So guys, come on. You have time. There's still about, what, 30 days to prepare. You have access to this material and you have the ability to get a grade 1 with ease. So, start the preparation. Start the preparations now. So, what I want to let you know is this. With every exam, there's going to be nervousness, there's going to be anxiousness. Sometimes we are preparing and we don't know what we know from what we don't know. And that's quite normal. But the thing about it is that you have to keep going. You keep moving forward. You keep trying, even though when you feel tired. When you feel tired, you learn to rest. You don't give up. All right? So I'm going to encourage you guys. Keep moving forward. Keep studying, keep practicing. Whatever the problem is with CXC of 2021, whether it's going to be a postponement, whether it's going to be a reduction of the paper, we don't know. But what we can do is adequately prepare. We don't want to be caught in the moment and suddenly we have the exam upon us without any change and we're not prepared. So please prepare. Like I often say, you can't be ugly and lazy in this life, and many of you were actually born ugly, so you can't be lazy. You have to be willing to work hard. You have to be willing to support your family academically. You have to be willing to do well in these exams to prepare yourself for a decent life. Many of you are the first or are going to be the first of your families to finish school. That there is an accomplishment. Cross that line. Finish the journey you have started. And once you finish the journey you have started, there's a certain level of excitement, there's a certain level of contentment that you feel. And I want you to feel that. I want you to be gratified by that. I want you to work hard. Hard work pays, and people who work hard succeed. And I have no doubt that you too will succeed. Thank you very much for listening to the recap. You were with me, Jamain Hatton.